For those that's never heard of Siemens drives before, the G220 is what type of drive?
It's a VFD.
VFD drive. And it's a standalone. Standalone?
Yes.
Okay. Is it networkable?
It is networkable, yes, with Profinet, Ethernet IP, Modbus TCP, and a whole bunch of other networks as well, serial networks and stuff.
And does it work similar to the G120 in that it's a parameter change to switch between Profinet or Ethernet IP?
Yes.
And why is that important? Anyone?
Because here in the U.S., we see Ethernet IP as another major network. Globally, Profinet and Ethernet IP are somewhat similar in size, but here in the U.S., we see Ethernet IP a whole lot. And so being able to connect your drive to no matter what control system you have is extremely critical in this area so that anybody can use it. Anybody can get the advantages of the G220 and all of, most of Siemens drives. And it's very easy to hook up and connect to it. There's very little extra programming necessary. Like you said, it's really just one parameter change.
And from a maintenance and basically spare parts inventory standpoint, which is everybody out there that's a plant manager or the tool room or manager, inventory manager, that's a big deal because suddenly with competitors' drives, if you need Profinet, you got to buy an option card, or you got to specify and it comes shipped in that way. If you need Ethernet IP, it might be an option card. So you may have to keep an Ethernet IP drive on the shelf and right beside it the same size horsepower, the same size capability to do Profinet. But with Siemens, you need one drive. So whether your machines are using a competitor's drive over Ethernet IP, we can put a Siemens drive into that situation and just by a parameter change, make it run on Ethernet IP. By the same token, if you have some Siemens drives already in there, or Profinet networks already in your plant, you can use the same drive on those machines. And so now suddenly a 5 horsepower, 10 horsepower, 50 horsepower drive is this just one of those sitting on the spare parts shelf. And that is a huge cost savings. That's a 50% reduction of potentially of your spare parts inventory, and that's money in the bank.